All right, guys, I have some award-winning birria, but I'm going to show you how I made my egg rolls, but we're going to do a cheater method so you can make it to the quality of any restaurant around your area. You're not going to find better than that. All right, lucky for me, I have a contractor here today. I'm going to bring him on so he can try it out, let you know what he thinks. All right, feel free to just come grab one if you want to tear it apart, if you just want to dunk the whole thing, whatever, man.
All right.
However you want to do it. Have you ever had birria before?
No.
Okay. It's typically like a taco, burrito, you know, whatever. But I just won an award for egg rolls.
Really? That was awesome.
I love that. I'm going to eat the rest.